Welcome back. Today we're uncovering one of the hottest topic in the coin collecting world, the most valuable top. The 1985 2p coin of the United Kingdom is a unique and interesting part of British numismatic history. Issued under the reign of Queen Elizabeth II during a time when changes in minting practices made certain coins less common in circulation. This particular coin is part of the decimal coinage system, introduced in the UK in 1971, and represents the low denomination of 2 new pence. What makes the 1985 2p coin special is not that it is extremely rare, but rather that it was never released for public circulation. Instead, it was struck exclusively for collector sets, like brilliant uncirculated mint sets and proof sets, by the Royal Mint. For that reason, any 1985 2p coin found today in the market should be in uncirculated condition, unless damaged after being removed from its packaging. This also means you won't find it in everyday pocket change or from public use. Instead, you'll find it in private collections or online coin sales. The obverse side front face of the coin shows the second portrait of Queen Elizabeth II, designed by Arnold Machin, which was used on British coins from 1968 to 1984. But some 1985 coins still featured this portrait. The Queen is shown wearing the Girls of Great Britain and Ireland tiara, a royal headpiece that became iconic in this design. Around her image is the legend, Elizabeth II DG Reg FD 1985. This Latin inscription stands for Elizabeth II, by the grace of God, Queen, Defender of the Faith. This design is a beautiful symbol of the monarchy and remains beloved by collectors around the world. The reverse side back of the coin carries the design by Christopher Ironside, which features the badge of the Prince of Wales, a coronet with 3 ostrich feathers rising from it. Below it is a ribbon containing the motto Ich diene, which means I serve in German. This emblem has long been associated with the Prince of Wales, and the design was chosen to symbolize heritage, duty, and royal service. Beneath the design is written the denomination, 2 pence, which began appearing in 1982. Earlier versions from 1971 to 1981 used new pence. Roman Urdu main kahain 2 is sik kupiche whale hissi par ektaj or 3 pankon ka design high, jisk neche lika hoda high Ich diene. Joe royal family ku Prince of Wales Kalia eknishani high. The coin was made of copper-plated steel, a change from the earlier bronze material used in earlier years. This change was made in 1992 officially, but many 2p coins from the 1980s still used bronze. However, some specimen coins or mint sets from the 1985 series may contain a mix of bronze or copper-plated steel, depending on the production batch. Is Ka diameter 25.91 mm Hoda high or weight takriban 7.12 grams Hoda high. Edge of the coin is plain, meaning there are no ridges or patterns on the side. In terms of value, since the coin was never circulated and only made for collectors, its availability in the market is somewhat limited, but not extremely rare. In general, a brilliant uncirculated BU 1985 2p coin from a mint set can be valued at around £1 to £3, depending on its condition, shine, and packaging. If the coin is graded by a professional service like PCGS or NGC and achieves a high grade, like MS66 or MS67, its value could rise to £5 to £10. A normal collector, Agar is coin KO Royal Mint ku original pack main rockta high, to iski condition mint state, ya uncirculated hodi high, Joe collectors Kalia bohad important high. On the other hand, if you find this coin loose and it shows wear or damage, its value drops significantly, probably near face value. Collectors often seek out this coin to complete their full-year collection of decimal British coins, especially those who are trying to collect every year of the 2p denomination from 1971 onward. The 1985 coin fits in a timeline where certain years like 1986 to 1990 also had no circulation strikes, so it joins a group of coins that were made only for collectors and not used by the general public. This coin also plays a key role for those collecting all coins that feature the Arnold Machin portrait, which ended shortly after this time. From an investment point of view, the 1985 2p coin doesn't bring in large profits, but can grow in value if kept in sealed, original mint packaging, or if found in high-grade form. Coins from proof sets, which have a mirror-like surface, can command slightly higher prices due to their special striking process. Error coins from 1985 2p are not officially known, but if any minting mistake like off-center strike, double die, or wrong planchet is found and authenticated, it could bring a premium price. The 2001 2-pence coin from the United Kingdom featuring Queen Elizabeth II is a standard decimal currency coin that was issued for general circulation. This coin is part of the decimal coin series introduced in 1971 and continued under Queen Elizabeth II's reign. The obverse side of the 2001 2p coin features the fourth official portrait of Queen Elizabeth II, designed by Ian Rank Broadley, which was introduced in 1998. In this portrait, the Queen is shown wearing the Girls of Great Britain and Ireland tiara, and the initials IRB appear just below her neck, representing the designer's signature. The outer legend reads, Elizabeth II DG Reg FD 2001, which is Latin for Elizabeth II, by the grace of God, Queen, Defender of the Faith. The reverse side of the coin features the classic design created by Christopher Ironside, used from 1971 until 2008. It displays the badge of the Prince of Wales, 3 ostrich feathers emerging from a coronet, with a ribbon below bearing the motto Ich diene, which means I serve in German. Beneath the badge, the denomination 2 pence is clearly inscribed. Roman Domain, coin ku reverse mainektaj se teen pank nikel rahi hain jo Prince of Wales ki nishani high, or Neche lika high Ich diene. This coin was minted in copper-plated steel, which replaced bronze in 1992 due to cost-saving measures. It weighs approximately 7.12 grams, has a diameter of 25.91 millimeters, and a plain edge with no reading. The Royal Mint produced these coins in large quantities in 2001 for everyday use. It is not considered rare, and circulated examples are easily available in the UK and abroad. In terms of value, a regular circulated 2001 2-pence coin holds face value only, which is 2 pence in the UK. However, uncirculated or brilliant uncirculated BU versions, often found in Royal Mint collector sets, can be worth between 20 pence and £1. If a coin is in proof condition from a proof set or professionally graded to a high standard, like MS67, its value may reach £2 to £5, but only among collectors. Rare minting errors like off-center strikes, double dies, or misstruck planchets could make the coin more valuable, though such errors are uncommon for 2001 2p coins. The 2003 2-pence coin from the United Kingdom is part of the standard decimal coin series and features the image of Queen Elizabeth II on the obverse. This coin was issued for general circulation, and millions were produced by the Royal Mint that year. The obverse side of the coin shows the fourth portrait of Queen Elizabeth II, designed by Ian Rank Broadley in 1998. In this portrait, the Queen is facing right, wearing the Girls of Great Britain and Ireland tiara, and the initials IRB of the designer appear just below her neck. Around her image is the inscription, Elizabeth II DG Reg FD 2003, which stands for Elizabeth II, by the grace of God, Queen, Defender of the Faith. Roman Domain, front side par Queen Elizabeth II key side profile Hodi High, Tiara Pain Hugh, or Lika Hoda High Uska royal title. On the reverse side, the coin features the well-known badge of the Prince of Wales, which includes a coronet, royal crown, with 3 ostrich feathers rising out of it. Beneath the feathers is a ribbon that reads Ich diene, which is German for I serve. Below the badge is the denomination, 2 pence, written clearly. This reverse design was created by Christopher Ironside and had been used on the 2p coin since decimalization began in 1971. Ye design UK ka Royal Heritage KO reflect Carta High, or collector's Izzy Classic Samaged Hain. The 2003 2p coin is made from copper-plated steel, which replaced the older bronze metal in 1992 for cost efficiency. The coin weighs 7.12 grams, has a diameter of 25.91 millimeters, and features a plain edge with no reading. Because it was produced in large numbers for everyday use, the 2003 2-pence coin is considered common and easily found in circulation within the UK. As for value, circulated 2003 coins typically hold just their face value, which is 2 pence. However, if the coin is found in uncirculated condition, such as from a Royal Mint brilliant uncirculated set, it can be worth between 30 pence and £1. If the coin is part of a proof set or has been graded by a professional grading company, like NGC or PCGS, and is in mint state MS66 or higher, it might fetch between £2 and £5, depending on collector demand. Roman Domain, Agar coin normal hallet, main ho to usky value surf 2 pence high hodi high. Lekin agar coin naya ho, comactor ho, mint pack main ho to usky collector value bad sakti high. There are no widely known or confirmed mint errors for the 2003 2 pence coin. But if a genuine error such as an off-center strike, die clash, or double strike is discovered and verified, it could be significantly more valuable. In short, the 2003 Elizabeth II 2 pence coin is a standard, common issue coin, not rare, but still important for collectors seeking to build a complete year-by-year decimal collection.